Two of the world's top AI scientists now in this heated public debate over the state of the technology, disagreeing on whether it can ever be as smart as humans or if we need a new type of AI entirely. Our Deirdre Bosa is digging into that in today's Tech Check. Morning, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So at its core, this debate is really about whether the current AI build-out actually pays off. Yann LeCun is one of the most influential and one of the most controversial minds in AI, a pioneer of modern neural networks, Turing Award winner, and until recently, Meta's chief AI scientist. Now, he's been openly pushing back against the dominant narrative in AI that bigger models and more data lead to general intelligence. His comments in a recent interview have poured gas on a debate that has been quietly brewing for months.
There is no such thing as general intelligence. This concept makes absolutely no sense. Human intelligence is super specialized. This concept of general intelligence is complete BS.
Now, he's calling into question the entire assumption behind the industry's CapEx bet. Trillions of dollars being spent on chips, data centers, power, all on the idea that scale eventually unlocks general intelligence, which unlocks a surge in economic output. Instead, he's developing world models, which requires a whole different approach, less about raw scale, more about teaching machines how the world actually works. Now, enter Demis Hassabis, founder of DeepMind, Nobel-winning scientist, running AI at Google, publicly pushing back, saying, Yann is just plain incorrect here. He argues that today's models are already on the right track and that scale, not a reset, is what gets you there. Now, Elon Musk, he has also weighed in saying Demis is right. Now, you can see the split in how they're spending and raising money. LeCun is reportedly targeting a valuation of for his new startup of $3.5 billion, all on the premise that real breakthroughs come from a whole new architecture, world models. Hassabis, Musk, Altman too, by the way, they're doubling down on scale and underpinning demand for chips, cloud CapEx, the energy buildup behind AI. If they're right, this is what it comes down to. If they're right, that trade that has been working keeps working. But if LeCun is right, a lot of today's CapEx looks premature and payoff gets pushed out, guys.